All right, Dr. Blumenthal back with you, and we have Rita today. Rita, say hi.
Hi, everybody. How are you?
Rita's coming back. She's been a year from her result.
I have.
We'll put up the before pictures as well, too, but we just wanted to show off Rita and what her results are looking like. So let's look. All right, Rita. How was the year?
It was slow.
It's slow? Yeah, it's all right.
Slow year.
You can be honest.
But it was.
I'm going to pan around while we're talking.
It was just exciting, and then when I first had a chance to show everybody, they didn't even notice that they thought, hey, something's different about you. Did you lose weight or something like that? So I thought that was pretty interesting. I thought it would be all about my hair loss, but they never noticed
something different about you, but they couldn't really place it.
They couldn't place it. So
are you done with the wigs? You still wearing them sometimes?
I just have like a little afro puff that I put on the top of my head.
But you're wearing this part out, the edges out.
Yes,
awesome.
I'm so excited.
I love it.
It's good to have a second chance.
Yeah, absolutely. I love it. It looks fantastic. Congratulations.
Thank you.
All right, thanks for helping. Thanks for sharing your story.
No problem.
Take the first step to better hair. Visit us at naturaltransplants.com.